What's up, YouTube? I know this is probably going to sound a little redundant to guys that have been driving nails their whole life, but I was watching this old lady and she was given, I don't know, like a little tutorial on how to pound a nail. And I realized that there's a lot of people that don't know how to fucking pound a nail properly. So I'm going to give you guys, not that I'm the best nailer, because obviously we frame with framing guns, and the only time you really have to set a nail nowadays is, you know, if your nailer doesn't set it properly. So the first thing you want to do is when you're grabbing your hammer, a lot of guys, you know, go like this and nail. This little lip here on your hammer is for your hand, and you want to basically hold it like this, but you don't have to really grip it. What you're going to want to do is you want your arm to swing like this, but then you also want your wrist like that. You want your wrist to swing in. Okay, so when you grab your nails, okay, your nails are going to be, you know, every which way. I don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully on the camera. So your nails are going to be every which way, right? So what you want to do is you want to get the heads of the nails, turn them, so then there's lint in my nails. So all the heads are the same way. So then when you're feeding it, you can, you know, they're all the same way. You know, you just want to be able to feed it like that. The other thing I would suggest is the amount of nails you grab are dependent on the size of your hand. You know, now you can try to grab, you know, a whole handful like this, you know, fucking 100 nails. Just makes it harder to feed it. I'd rather, because I have smaller hands, I'd rather grab, you know, a couple times than to struggle with trying to feed my nailing hand. And again, I'm not a professional nailer, I guess. What you want to do, you want to set it. Should only take you twice, but probably take me 3 times. Like I said, I don't nail very often. So feed it, set it, and you want to, like I said, swing your wrists. You don't want to, here, I'll try to show you where I'm really, now, it's just harder on your wrist if you try to go like this. It just puts a lot of strain, where if you just let your body do the work, just makes it a lot easier. You know? Just like that. And like I said, these are just nails I have around the house, but, you know, here, now imagine you try to grab them just like this. Well, most of them are the same way, so I'm going to just mess them up, okay? So here, you get your nail. Well, now you got to kind of turn it around in your hand. Turn this one around. Or yeah, you just go like this, get them all ready, you know, and just loose. It's really simple. And then sometimes you're gonna miss. I'll show you. You know, you're gonna kind of miss. You can bend it like this. Fuck around, and sometimes you can get it if it's not too bent. You can kind of bend it, but yeah, I'll give you another example. Okay, so say you fuck up, and well, now you can sit there, go like this, or you can just take your hammer, straighten it out like that. All right, just a quick little tutorial on how to nail. If anybody else has any advice on how to nail, go ahead and let me know. Like I said, very rarely am I nailing by hand. yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and God bless you guys.